When your Sceptre monitor displays a black screen with a blinking blue light, it's showing you a specific diagnostic signal that indicates the monitor is receiving power but cannot display an image properly. The blue light on your Sceptre monitor serves as a diagnostic indicator with three distinct states. A solid blue light means normal operation with an active video signal. A blinking blue light indicates the monitor has power but no video signal or an internal processing failure. No light at all means complete power failure. This problem is surprisingly common across Sceptre monitor models. Statistics show that approximately 15 to 20% of Sceptre monitors experience this issue within their first 2 to 3 years of operation, with higher rates occurring in budget models under $200. There are three main root causes for this issue. First, power supply problems account for 40% of cases, typically involving capacitor degradation in the internal power supply unit. Second, signal processing issues make up 35%, including faulty HDMI or DisplayPort input circuits and corrupted firmware. Third, backlight system failures represent 20% of cases, involving LED strip degradation or inverter board malfunctions. Understanding these diagnostic signals and common causes helps you identify whether your Sceptre monitor issue is related to power supply problems, signal processing failures, or backlight system malfunctions. This knowledge is essential for determining the appropriate troubleshooting approach. When facing a black screen with blinking blue light, start with these systematic troubleshooting steps. These basic checks can resolve many common issues without opening the monitor. Next, test different input sources and cables. Try HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA connections if available. Use different cables and source devices to isolate whether the problem is with the monitor or the input signal. The critical diagnostic step is attempting to access the on-screen display menu using the monitor's buttons. If the menu appears, the issue is signal-related. If no menu appears, you likely have a hardware failure. For advanced diagnostics, perform the backlight test. Shine a flashlight at a close angle to the screen. If you can see a faint image, the backlight system has failed, but the display panel is working. Repair solutions depend on the specific problem identified. Power supply issues are the most common, typically involving capacitor replacement. These repairs cost $15 to $30 in parts and have an 85% success rate. Signal processing fixes involve firmware reflashing or replacing the scaler board, costing $50 to $80. Backlight repairs require replacing LED strips, costing $30 to $50 with a 75% success rate. The decision to repair or replace depends on the monitor's original cost. For monitors under $150, replacement is usually more cost-effective. Monitors between $150 and $300 are worth repairing if under 3 years old. These troubleshooting steps and repair guidelines provide a systematic approach to resolving Sceptre monitor issues. Start with basic diagnostics, perform advanced tests when needed, and make informed repair decisions based on cost-effectiveness analysis.